Good day, class. For now, we will have arithmetic sequence for the first quarter, and this is week 2. So this is just part 1 of the arithmetic sequence. On the previous lesson, we work with sequences or patterns. Recognizing and extending patterns are important skills needed for learning concepts about arithmetic sequence. So your knowledge on patterns will be able to help you to determine the nth term or terms between any two consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so these are the objectives for today. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to illustrate an arithmetic sequence and determine the common difference of a given arithmetic sequence. So let us have the following. Determine the rule of the following sequences. So on our previous lesson, alam nyo na kung paano hanapin yung rule. So it's either you add, you subtract, you multiply, or you divide a certain number to each preceding term to obtain the succeeding term. So meron kayong number na ina-add, sinusubtract, minumultiply, or dinidivide doon sa previous term para makuha nyo yung next term. So, yun yung ina-identify yung rule. Okay, let us have the following sequences and try to identify the rule. For the first one, we have 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13. So, if we will notice or observe this given sequence, so how did we obtain 4? How did we obtain 7? How did we obtain 10, and how did we obtain 13? So, simply by adding 3. So, 1 plus 3, that is 4. 1 plus 3, that is 7. 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13, and so on. So, therefore, the rule for this given sequence is you add 3. Okay, next, we have 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. So, if we will observe this sequence, how can we obtain the succeeding term? So, 6, and then followed by 11, followed by 16, followed by 21, followed by 26. So, how did we obtain 11 here? So, we have 6 plus 5, so that is equal to 11. Plus 5, that is equal to 16, plus 5, that is equal to 21, plus 5, that is equal to 26. Okay, so therefore, the rule for this given sequence is you add 5. Next, we have 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. How can we obtain the next term or terms of this given sequence? Okay, by adding 2. So, 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 plus 2, that is 13. 13 plus 2, that is 15. 15 plus 2, that is 17, and so on. Next, we have 101, 104, 107, 110, 113. How can we obtain the next term or succeeding terms of this given sequence? Okay, again, you add 3. So, 101 plus 3, that is 104. 104 plus 3, that is 107. 107 plus 3, that is 110. And 110 plus 3, that is 113. Okay, next. We have 2, 12, 22, 32, 42. How can we obtain the next term or succeeding terms of this sequence? Okay, so you have 2 plus 10, that is 12, plus 10, that is 22, plus 10, that is 32, plus 10, that is 42. So, therefore, the rule for this sequence is by adding 10. Okay. What can you notice with the rule of the given sequences? Let us take a look at the following sequences. So, the first one, the rule is you add 3. On the second one, the rule is you add 5. On the third, you add 2. On the fourth, you add 3. On the fifth, you add 10. What can you notice with their rule? Okay, so on the given sequences, all the rules or all each succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number or a fixed amount. For example, in number 1, you constantly add 3. On number 2, you constantly add 5. On number 3, you constantly add 2. Number 4, you constantly add 3. And on number 5, you constantly add 10. Pare-pareho na yung number or yung amount na ina-add nyo para makuha yung kasunod na term. Sa number 1, nag-add ka ng 3, all throughout, 3 na yung inad. Sa number 2, nag-add ka ng 5, all throughout, 5 na yung inad. So, hindi nadadagdagan yung ina-add nyo, hindi rin nababawasan yung ina-add nyo. Constant. Pare-pareho yung amount na ina-add nyo para makuha yung next term. Okay, how can you obtain the next term of each given sequence? So, just like what I have mentioned a while ago, you can obtain the next term of each given sequence of these sequences by adding a fixed amount or a fixed number. So, what is common to the rules of the given sequences? So, again, what is the common among these sequences is they have a fixed number or fixed amount added to each preceding term to obtain the succeeding term. So, laging fix yung number na ina-add sa last term or sa previous term para makuha nyo yung next term. Okay. So, this type of sequence is what we call arithmetic sequence. Yan. So, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, fix yung number na ina-add nyo. So, that fixed number is called the common difference, which is denoted by small letter d. Yan. O, small letter d. Okay, so for example, we have 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13. So, we know that this is an arithmetic sequence since we are adding a fixed number to each preceding term para makuha natin yung next term. So, 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13. So, pare-parehong 3 yung ina-add nyo. So, meaning, the common difference is 3. Ayan siya. This is now your common difference. Okay. And common difference is denoted by small letter d. So, therefore, we can say that d is equal to 3. Since the common difference is denoted by d, and the common difference can be determined by finding the fixed number or amount added to each term para makuha yung mga next term or succeeding terms. So, therefore, d is equal to 3. Okay. Another example, if we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. So, what is the common difference of this arithmetic sequence? So, if we will observe this sequence, we can notice that we constantly add 5 to each term to obtain the succeeding term. So, nag-a-add tayo ng 5 para makuha yung mga kasunod na term. So, you have 5 plus 5, that is 10. 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15 plus 5, that is 20. So, you constantly add 5. Therefore, D, or the common difference, is equal to 5. Malinaw yan, ha? Okay, after this video, kung meron kayong tanong, pwede kayong mag-message doon sa group chat or PM nyo ko kung meron kayong hindi maintindihan. Okay, so let us have the following sequences and determine whether it is an arithmetic sequence or not. On number 1, we have 7, 9, 11, 13. Again, analyze this sequence. Check how can each succeeding term or next term can be obtained. So, paano nakuha si 9? So, you add 2 to 7. Paano nakuha si 11? So, again, you add 2 to 9. Paano nakuha si 13? So, you add 2 to 11. So, therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence kasi pare-parehong 2 eh. So, therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. Kasi constant yung number na ina-add nyo. Okay. So, how can you find the common difference? So, simply, the succeeding term minus the preceding term. Or 9 minus 7, that is 2. 11 minus 9, that is 2. 13 minus 11, that is 2. So, yun yung inyong common difference. Okay, next. We have 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. Again, observe how can you obtain the next term of each of this given sequence. You have 3 followed by 6. So, pwede nating sabihin nag-add ng 3. Kaso, ang kasunod ni 6 ay 12. So, nag-add ng 6. Ang kasunod ni 12 ay 24. So, nag-add ng 12. Ang kasunod ni 48 ay 24. Ni 24 ay 48, so nag-add ng 24. So, kung makikita natin, so 3, nag-add ng 3 para makuha si 6. 6, nag-add ng 6 para makuha si 12. 12, nag-add ng 12 para makuha si 24. 24, nag-add ng 24 para makuha si 48. Tingnan nyo yung number na ina-add. 3, 6, 12, 24. Pare-pareho ba? Diba? Hindi. So, therefore, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Dapat pare-pareho yung number na ina-add nyo. Kasi ang rule talaga dito is you multiply 2. 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 times 2, that is 12. 12 times 2, that is 24. 24 times 2, that is 48. Okay, next, we have 10, 13, 16, 19, 22. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? Again, check. Paano nyo nakukuha yung mga next terms? You have 10 followed by 13. So, you add 3. 13 followed by 16. So, again, you add 3. 16 followed by 19. So, again, you add 3. 19 followed by 22, again, you add 3. Okay, pare-pareho ba yung number na ina-add? Since constant or fixed yung number na ina-add nyo to each term to get the next term, so therefore, this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, next, we have 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Pare-pareho ba? Pare-pareho. So, 6 plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 2, 12, plus 2, 14, and so on. So, therefore, again, this is an arithmetic sequence. Since pare-parehong 2 or constantly we are adding 2 to each term to obtain the succeeding terms. Next, we have 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So, we constantly add 1. 84 plus 1, 85 plus 1 plus 186 plus 187 plus 188. Okay, so constant again yung ina-add na number which is 1. So therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. Next, we have 16, 8, 4, 2. Okay, from 16, paano nyo nakuha si 8? Okay, so you divide 16 by 2. So, 16 divided by 2, that is 8. From 8, paano nakuha si 4? So, again, nag-divide kayo ng 2 dyan di ba? Okay, 4 divided by 2, again, so you obtain 2. Okay, or simply, kung hahanapin natin yung number na ina-add sa kanila, so, hindi ka nag-a-add, nagsusubtract ka, or you are adding a negative number. So, 16 minus 8. 8 minus 4. 4 minus 2. Okay, so hindi constant yung number na ina-add. So, definitely, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Next, number 7. We have 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? Okay, this is also an arithmetic sequence. So, you constantly add 5. 15 plus 5, 20. Plus 5, 25. plus 5, 30, plus 5, 35. So, therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. Next, number 8. You have 5, 10, 20, 40, 48. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? Okay, let us check. How did we obtain 10? From 5, we add 5. So, kaya meron tayong 10. From 10, we add 10 para makuha si 20. From 20, we add 10, we add 20 para makuha si 40. From 40, we add 40 para makuha si 80. So, ang mga numbers na ina-add nyo, you have 5, 10, 20, 40. Pare-pareho ba or fixed ba yung number na ina-add nyo? Hindi. So, therefore, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Naintindihan na? So, again, uulitin ko, kapag pare-pareho, yung number na ina-add nyo sa previous term para makuha nyo yung next term, kung constant yung number na ina-add, that is an arithmetic sequence. Kapag hindi constant or kapag hindi pare-pareho yung number na ina-add, so that is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so we have two types of arithmetic sequence. We have the increasing and decreasing arithmetic sequence. So here are two examples of arithmetic sequence and observe their common difference. So this is an increasing arithmetic sequence. Tingnan niyo yung common difference niya. So you have 5. Para makuha si 9, so we add 4. Para makuha si 13, we add 4. Para makuha si 17, we add 4. So, therefore, the common difference is 4. And it is positive. So, therefore, this is an increasing arithmetic sequence. Kasi positive yung kanyang common difference. Let us now have this sequence. We have 20, 17, 14, 11. Kung mapapansin nyo, pababa siya ng pababa, di ba? Ito, pataas ng pataas. O, parang spaghetti lang yan. Pataas, 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 pataas. Ito, pababa, pababa, pababa. Kasi we are subtracting 3. So, 20 minus 3, that is 17. 17 minus 3, that is 14. 14 minus 3, that is 11. Take note, ang concept ng arithmetic sequence is you add a fixed number. Pero it doesn't mean na nagsusubtract kayo, hindi na siya arithmetic sequence. So, kasi pag nagsusubtract kayo, it's either you are subtracting a number or you are adding a negative number. So, kapag pababa ang sequence, pababa yung value ng mga numbers sa sequence, the common difference is negative. So, here, your D is negative 3. Kasi kada term, nagsusubtract kayo ng 3 para makuha nyo yung next term. Pare-pareho din yan. So, still, this is an arithmetic sequence. You are adding negative 3. And this is a decreasing arithmetic sequence. Madali naman tandaan eh. Pag increasing, so, syempre, increasing pataas yan. So, pataas ng pataas yung number. So, dapat ang common difference nyo ay positive. Pag decreasing, o sa Tagalog, pababa ng pababa. So, dapat, kung obserbahan yung sequence nyo, pababa, pababa, pababa. So, ang common difference nyo ay negative. Ulitin ko, pag increasing, common difference is positive. Pag decreasing, common difference is negative. Okay. O, determine whether the given arithmetic sequence is increasing or decreasing. And then find the common difference. Number 1, we have 7, 9, 11, 13. Is it increasing or decreasing? O, let us use I for increasing. And let us use D for decreasing. 7, 9, 11, 13. O, sige, dyan pa lang. Pag pinagmasdan nyo, di ba, pataas. So, therefore, this is increasing. And what is D? Or what is the common difference? So, 7 plus 9, you have 2. 9 plus 2, you have 11. 11 plus 2, you have 13, and so on. So, therefore, the common difference is 2. O, check nyo nga, again, from our definition, when we say, increasing arithmetic sequence, the common difference must be positive. O tama naman, increasing siya, dapat positive. So kung decreasing siya, dapat negative. Okay, next. We have 10, 13, 16, 19, 22. Pababa or pataas? Pataas. So again, this is increasing. So, ang common difference nyo dapat positive kasi increasing yan eh. So, what is the common difference? So, 10 plus 3 that is 13. 13 plus 3 that is 16. 16 plus 3 that is 19. 19 plus 3 that is 22. So therefore, the common difference is 3. Okay, next. You have 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Pataas or pababa? Pataas ulit. Ang magsabing pababa niyan, ako. Pataas yan na, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And what is the common difference? The common difference is 2. Okay, next, you have 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. Pataas or pababa? O, pababa na yan. So, this is now a decreasing arithmetic sequence. Again, take note, pag increasing, positive ang common difference. Pag decreasing, negative ang common difference. Since this is a decreasing arithmetic sequence, so therefore, the common difference is negative. O 20, and then followed by 18. Paano nyo nakuha si 18? So, you subtract 2. Or you add negative 2. 18 followed by 16. So, again, you subtract 2 or you add negative 2. Then, 16 followed by 14. So, again, you subtract 2 or you add negative 2 and so on. So, therefore, the common difference is negative 2. Check. Decreasing. So, dapat negative. So, tama. Okay, next. So, hindi pwede na increasing siya tapos ang common difference niya negative ha. Mali yun. Kapag increasing, laging positive ang common difference. Kapag decreasing, laging negative ang common difference. Okay. So, we have 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Decreasing or increasing? Madali lang yan. Pataas yan ang pataas eh. O dapat ganyan ang grade nyo, pataas ng pataas. Mag-uumpisa sa 84 o mas mataas pa, then tataas, 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 tataas. Okay. So, D now or the common difference now is 1. Okay, next. We have 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Pataas or pababa? Increasing or decreasing? So, this is also increasing. And the common difference is 5. Okay, next. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80. O, ayan. Pag di kayo nag-aral, ganyan yung magiging score nyo. Nag-umpisa ng 100. O, masipag-sipag pa. Kaso medyo tinamad. Naging 95. Medyo tinamad. Naging 90. Tinamad pa lalo. Naging 85. Tinamad lalo. 80. O, pag tinamad pa ulit, 75 na. Pag tinamad na pa ulit, 70 na. Wala na. Bagsak na. Okay, so this is a decreasing arithmetic sequence. And if the given arithmetic sequence is decreasing, so the common difference is negative or you add a negative number. So 100 followed by 95, so you subtract 5. 95 minus 5, you subtract 90. 90 minus 5, you subtract 85. And 85 minus 5, you subtract 85 minus 5, that is 80. Okay, so therefore, the common difference is negative 5. Okay, so this is the end of this video. And at the end of this video, please answer the activity sheet uploaded to our Google Classroom. So, this will be submitted today as your attendance and output for today. So, pakisagutan yon. Ngayong araw din ipapasa kasi hindi naman na-consume yung isang buong oras for this video. So, yung remaining minutes for this period ay ilalaan nyo sa pagsagot ng activity sheet. So, nasa Google Classroom yun. So, ang deadline, ngayong araw din. Maiksi lang yun. Output niyan ngayong araw. Okay? Okay, bye!